Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got an important update on the catastrophic wildfires blazing through California. These fires are among the most destructive in U.S. history. They've ravaged over 40,000 acres, tragically taking 24 lives and damaging over 7,000 structures. Particularly hard hit is Altadena, where the Eaton fire is now the fifth deadliest in California's history. But it's not just the land that's hurting. Vulnerable communities, especially black families in Altadena, face the harsh reality of potential displacement due to rebuilding costs and gentrification. Many residents have lost everything, and the road to recovery looks daunting. Despite some progress, the danger is far from over. While the Kenneth and Hearst fires are nearing full containment, the Palisades and Eaton fires are still raging, with containment levels at just 11% and 27% respectively. Strong Santa Ana winds are expected through Wednesday, intensifying the fire danger. Over 105,000 residents are under evacuation orders, with 87,000 more on high alert. On the front lines, over 15,000 brave personnel, backed by 1,900 pieces of equipment and 80 aircraft, are battling the flames. International aid from Canada, Mexico, and Texas is bolstering these efforts. Yet, high winds and low water pressure due to extreme demand are making this fight even tougher. Now, for some heartening news. Beyoncé's Baygood Foundation has stepped up, donating a whopping $2.5 million to fire relief. Guitar Center is also pitching in, offering grants to replace lost musical instruments. The community response has been overwhelmingly positive, but please remember to donate to vetted charities to avoid scams. Governor Newsom is expediting aid and rebuilding efforts, while FEMA assistance extends even to those with insurance. Free public transit fares remain in effect to support affected residents. To wrap up, a quick safety note. Do not drink orders are in place in some areas due to fire-related contaminants in the water supply. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's support our fellow citizens in this time of need. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Take care, everyone.